How do you test that a Python function throws an exception? How does one write a unittest that fails only if a function doesn't throw an expected exception?
Use testcase.assertRaises or testcase.failinglessRaises from the unittest module, for example.
Since Python 2.7, you can use Context Manager to get a hold of the actual exception object thrown. Assert raises. In Python 3.5, you have to wrap context.exception in str, otherwise you'll get a type error.
The code in my previous answer can be simplified too. And if a function takes arguments, just pass them into assert raises like this.
How do you test that a Python function throws an exception? How does one write a test that fails only if a function doesn't throw an expected exception? Short answer. Use the self.assertRaises method as a context manager. Demonstration. The best practice approach is fairly easy to demonstrate in a Python shell. The unittest library. In Python 2.7 or 3. In Python 2.6, you can install a backport of 2.7's unittest library, called unittest2, and just alias that as unittest. Example tests. Now paste into your Python shell the following test of Python's type safety. Test 1 uses assertRaises as a context manager, which ensures that the error is properly caught and cleaned up while recorded. We could also write it without the context manager. See test 2. The first argument would be the error type you expect to raise, the second argument, the function you are testing, and the remaining args and keyword args will be passed to that function. I think it's far more simple, readable, and maintainable to use the context manager. Running the tests. To run the tests. In Python 2.6, you'll probably need the following. And your terminal should output the following. And we see that as we expect, attempting to add a 1 and a 1 result in a type error. For more verbose output, try this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.